Okay, let's look at Charlie's Chocolates, page 19. And if you need help with this, then that's what I'm here for. So I started drawing this previously, and I thought, oh, I need to record myself. So what this says is Charlie fills a box with 5 layers. Each layer has 3 rows of chocolates. So she's making these handmade chocolates and she's starting with a box. So I kind of drew the box here with a height of 5. That's the layers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the base, so each layer has 3 rows of 5. 3 rows of 5 is 15, right? So each row or each layer has 15. So we're really doing 15 plus 15 plus, excuse me, 15 plus 15 plus 15, 5 times. So to write an expression for that, and remember, an expression is just a number sentence with no answer. So you do not need an answer for an expression whenever it asks for that. It just wants you to write out how you would solve it first. So to solve this, we would take our 3 rows of 5 chocolates, 3 times 5, which is 15, and then we would multiply that by the layers or how high it is. So 15 times 5, right? And then below it says, write an equation that shows how many chocolates are in the box. So this is where we solve the problem. So can you solve 3 times 5 times 5? And that will go into your answer box here. You don't have to have an answer box. That's just, I'm not going to solve it for you. I'd like you to solve it. And C says, Charlie's brother dropped his baseball on the box and broke 6 chocolates. I wonder if that was Brad. Oh, Brad. Which had to be removed. Write an expression that shows how many chocolates are in the box now. So whatever answer this is, that's whatever answer you get here, we're going to take 6 away from that. So there's 2 ways that we could write this expression. We could write it as 3 by 5 times 5, which is what we had just have here. I just rewrote that. And then what are we going to do with that? We're going to subtract 6 from it because those 6 chocolates, I think he did it on purpose so we could eat them. So we're taking 6 away from that. So whatever answer you get here, we're just taking 6 away from that. And now it says, write an equation. Remember, this was the expression, no answer. This is the equation. So whatever answer you got, so whatever answer you got from the 3 times 5 minus 6 equals. So you're going to put your answer right in here. So whatever answer you got from 1b, you will take 6 away from that, and that'll be your answer for 1d. Okay? So whatever answer you got, take away 6. That's the 6 that broke, and he broke them on accident. I think he ate them. That will be your answer for 1d. And then number 2 says, Charlie fills 2 more boxes with chocolates. These boxes have 7 layers of chocolates with 12 chocolates in each layer. So we have 12 chocolates plus times 7. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. So 12 7 times. Write an expression that shows how many chocolates are in the larger box. But we have 2 of them, right? So we really have 2 boxes times 7 times 12. Okay? So you really have, I'm going to put my parentheses over here just because you're doubling up. So whatever 7 times 12 is, you have to add that to itself or double it up, right? And then that's the expression, so you don't need the answer. And then below we have the equation. So it gives you all this room to work. So we're going to write the equation back out. Now you could put the 2 on the other side if you want as well. You could put the 2 over here. If you just want to do 7 times 12 times 2, sure. I just put the 2 here because it came up first in my story problem. So figure out what 7 times 12 is and then double it up, and that's your answer. Don't forget to, I call them naked numbers. Don't leave your numbers unlabeled. So all of these have to do with chocolate. So whatever your answer is, make sure you label them with the chocolate name, okay? It's always super important in math that we know what we're working with, right? So what the number means. No naked numbers, okay? Hope that helps, and I will see you soon. Sorry for my dogs.